Okay, now I'm sharing the screen. Please let me know whether it is visible or not. আচ্ছা কি দেখিছে কোৱাচোন স্ক্ৰীনত?
আচ্ছা
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ৰ'বাচোন এক মিনিট, এইটো কিয় অহা নাই? আহিছে ন? এইটো মস্ত শ্ল' দে। আচ্ছা এটা চোৱাচোন, পিডিএফ ফাইল দেখিছে নে কিবা এটা চোৱাচোন, তোমাৰ ডায়াগ্ৰাম থকা পাইছে এটা চোৱাচোন, আৰ্কিটেকচাৰ অফ ESXi বুলি আহিছে?
আহিছে স্যার আহিছে
আচ্ছা লাষ্ট ক্লাছ আমি কি কৰিলো কোৱাচোন, কি কৰিলো কোৱাচোন, what we have discussed in the last class?
স্যার গমে নাপালে এখন ডিসকানেক্ট হৈ গ'ল
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আৰু কোন আছিলা, কোন আছিলা প্ৰেজেন্ট কোৱাচোন? লাষ্ট ক্লাছ কি কৰিছিলো একবাৰ ৰিকল কৰা।
OX কিবা কিবি এনেকে আছিলে।
Okay, see, in the previous class we have discussed about virtualization. Okay, in what?
Hypervisor.
ESXi.
Okay, last class we have discussed regarding what a hypervisor, right? So
Yes,
there
yes.
are two type of hypervisor,
Yes,
type 1, type 2. Okay, and we have seen a little bit about type 1 hypervisor from VMware. This is ESXi. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Yeah, ESXi. So today we will be continuing with the same topic, ESXi. Someone is waiting. Let me admit. এটা কাম কৰা, তোমালোক সবে মিউট কৰি ৰাখা, ঠিক আছে? যেতিয়া মই লাগা হ'ব আনমিউট কৰি মই এনসার দিলে হ'ল, ঠিক আছে? কিবা সুধিলে এতিয়া আনমিউট কৰি ৰাখা, এই সব মিউট কৰি ৰাখা এতিয়া। So see, this is the white paper from directly from the VMware. Okay, I will share this in the Google Classroom, or this is downloadable from the Editive portal also. Okay, so you can download it. Now we'll see the architecture of ESXi. Okay, as we have seen the in the last class regarding different features as well as the benefit or the deliverable from the VMware ESXi server. Okay, so you remember that ESXi is a type 1 hypervisor. ঠিক আছে, এটু কেনেকুৱা হয় কোৱা তোমাৰ, on top of the operating system we are installing the ESXi directly. Okay, so ESXi is pre-configured or the pre-bundled bit in an operating system. Okay, it's known as what the VM kernel. Okay, so without operating system it can be work. Mainly আমি ESXi কি কারণ ইউজ করব কোৱা তোমাৰ, to deploy or spin the virtual machines. Okay, see, it is based on your configuration. Okay, whatever physical infrastructure you are using, it's up to you how much or what type of machine or the VM you are going to spin on top of your ESXi. Okay, so last class we have discussed all this part. Okay, now have a look towards some advanced things regarding this your ESXi. Okay, what they are telling, VMware ESXi is a next generation hypervisor. Okay, providing a new foundation for virtual infrastructure. Okay, so these things already we have discussed. See, directly I am jumping towards the component of ESXi. So just before going to discuss the component, please have a look at this diagram. Okay, so in this diagram to sobe dekhisa tomaloke no, dekhisa na? Oh, thik ase. So this is the architecture of your ESXi. Okay, ki thakibo koa tomar eta foundation, you can see VM kernel. Okay, so this is the operating system which is already bundled with your ESXi. Okay, now on top of this you have all these virtual machines, say Red Hat based. Okay, and this is maybe another one, this is maybe another one. So these all are the virtual machines. ঠিক আছে, এটা কথা তোমালোকে চাবা, যিমানটা তোমাৰ virtual machine থাকিব, okay, the same amount of VMM will be created. Okay, what is the meaning of VMM? virtual machine monitors. Okay, so if you want to see some monitor the working status of your any virtual machine, so ESXi will take the helps of your VMM. Okay, now to support this VMM, we have the same number of VMX file. Okay, so what is VMX? So these all are the configuration file. Okay, whenever you go for creating any virtual machine, okay, in a software you have to define how much RAM, okay, for how many CPU core, or how much hard disk space you are going to use, okay, or in some advanced concept, how many port you are going to allocate it in your virtual switch. Okay, so all these hardware configurations are written inside your VMX file. Okay, এটা তোমরা চাবা যিমানটা তোমালোকৰ ভাৰ্চুৱেল মেচিন থাকিব ইমানটা VMM থাকিব ইমানটা তোমাৰ VMX থাকিব. Okay, and after this one, suppose you are maintaining some network connectivity. Okay, to maintain this network connectivity we have this SNMP protocol. Okay, do you know what is the meaning of this SNMP protocol? Anyone? SNMP protocol কোৱা meaning কোৱা যদি জানা কি হয় কোৱা তোমাৰ simple network management protocol. Okay, so এটা যেতিয়া তোমালোকে network form কৰিবলৈ যাবা you need various devices. Okay, starting from the physical layer till your transport layer. Okay, different networking devices are required, say cables, switch, okay, hub, modem, routers, okay, fiber optic cables, and different things. So to manage all these hardware component you need one protocol which is called what? The SNMP, simple network management protocol. Okay, so using this protocol, this ESXi maintain the network from in between the virtual machines or with the outside world. Okay, this one. Next, the important things you will find is the VPEX. Okay, VPXA. Okay, so what is the purpose of this one? So as I told you earlier, say suppose you have a data center. Inside your data center, okay, now see, for the time being or whenever you go for virtualization class, you just imagine that whatever concept I am discussing, all these are virtual. Okay, you have only one PC, or just expect that this PC is very high end PC. Okay, on top of this high end PC, we are installing more than two, or say more than three ESXi server. Okay, and on top of this ESXi server we are installing, okay, or we are creating at least 10 VM. Okay, that means what? If you have 30 ESXi on your what a physical infrastructure, okay, you are creating what a 30 different virtual machines. Okay, that means 3 different clusters. Now how to manage all these clusters? To manage all this cluster, you need another product from the VMware. This is called what? The vCenter server. Okay, now this VPXA, okay, provide all the tools to, okay, to communicate with your vCenter server. Okay, so that the entire infrastructure can be managed. আচ্ছা বুজি পালা নে কোৱাচোন এইখিনি না ডাউট আছে কোৱা? I think most of the terms are very much new to you. Okay, at that moment বুজি পালা নে কোৱাচোন? যদি ডাউট আছে মই আৰু তোমাৰ ৰিপিট কৰিম কোৱা।
কৰি দিয়ক।
চোৱা কি ক'লো কোৱা, তোমাৰ আমি কি কৰিছো কোৱা, তোমাৰ VMware ESX. Okay, first of all চোৱা VMware সবতে ক্লিয়াৰ নে? What is VMware? If someone ask you what is VMware, তোমালোকে ক'ব পাৰিবা নে কি হয় কোৱা VMware? কোৱা, what is VMware? Will tell. কোৱা কোৱা, যিকোনো এজনে কোৱা, what is VMware? Okay, বাকি বাদ में आएगा।
কৰা হয় মানে
हाँ,
য'ত ভাৰ্চুৱেল মেচিন এটা ক্ৰিয়েট কৰা হয়।
okay, or any other, what is VMware? See, in interview will face this type of basic question. Okay, if you are able to answer this type of question, then interviewer will ask you some advanced question. Okay, if you fail at that moment, then they will not ask you anything. Okay, you see, VMware is a company, okay, or one corporation. Okay, VMware is a corporation who is okay delivering lots of virtualization product. Okay, and see, VMware is not the only company who provide the virtualization product. Okay, based on your platform or your choice, you have different vendors. Just like the Oracle provide us with Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, in case of Linux, you find one GNU based. Okay, virtual machine creator hypervisor. This is called what the Linux KVM. Okay, kernel virtual machine. If you go for Microsoft, you will find the Hyper-V. Okay, so in the same way, in case of VMware, you will find lots of product. That means VMware is the ultimate solution for your entire virtualization needs. Okay, so from this class onward, if someone asks you what is VMware, simply tell that VMware is a corporation or a company. Okay, now what does the company do? This company provide the virtualization solution with different products line. Okay, এটা তোমার আহিল কি তোমার কি product তোমার VMware পায়. Okay, the product line of the VMware is very much rich. Okay, but for our normal purpose, we are using some of them. Okay, they are okay ESXi server. ESXi server আমি কি ইউজ করব তোমার to deploy virtual machine on top of your physical hardware. Okay, without the help of your operating system. Okay, so this is one of the product of your VMware ESXi. Okay, so এতিয়া ESXi আছে ন আগতে তোমাৰ কি আছিল ESX আছিল. Okay, ESX ত তোমাৰ কি আছিল actually see ESXi is what a more concise. Okay, it can be acted with a minimal hardware or a system requirement. Okay, so they have replaced all these previous version with this the updated one, the ESXi. Okay, so ESXi is a type 1 hypervisor. Okay, now using ESXi you can create the clusters. Okay, or you can create the virtual machines. Right now the question is that how you are going to manage all this cluster. Okay, who will monitor all these things? To monitor all these things you need another product. Okay, so for that purpose VMware provide us with one specialized product. It's called what the vCenter server. Okay, vCenter server. So to communicate with the vCenter server for the management purpose, Abhishek Kashyap is requesting to annotate the share content. কি এটো বুজি পোৱা নাই কি হৈছে অভিষেক কিবা দিছা নেকি অভিষেক
কওকচোন মানে
কিবা দিছা নেকি এইটো তোমাৰ এইটো কিবা আহিছে দেখোন ডিউৰিং এনোটেশন হুম
স্যার দিয়া নাই নেকি?
হেল্ল' মই তোমাৰ মাতটো ব্ৰেক হৈছে বাবা বুজি পোৱা নাই
স্যার দিয়া নাই, এইটো মানে আকৌবাৰ কৈ দিয়কচোন।
কোনটো
স্যার আকৌবাৰ কৈ দিলে মানে মাতটো অলপ ভাঙি ভাঙি আহিছে।
হয় নেকি আচ্ছা চবৰে এনেকুৱা হৈছে নেকি মোৰ মাতটো ক্লিয়াৰলি অহা নাই নেকি তোমালোকৰ তাত
আহিছে স্যাৰ
আহিছে
তেনেকুৱা হোৱা নাই।
ক্লিয়াৰলি আহি আছে
Clearly
আহিছে।
মাতটো আহে কিন্তু
net বেয়া
বৰষুণ
আছে।
দি আছে তাৰ কিন্তু নেটৱৰ্ক প্ৰব্লেম
কি ভাঙি যায় নেকি মোৰ ইয়াতে নেটৱৰ্ক আছে তোমালোকে এবাৰ ৰিস্টাৰ্ট কৰা না চবে যাৰ যাৰ অহা নাই মই লাগিলে তোমাৰ
আহি আছে আমাৰ
হা হা
স্যার আমার ঠিকই আছে।
এটা
আমার
কাম
ঠিকই
কৰা
আছে সব।
যাৰ যাৰ অহা নাই এবাৰ তোমালোকে ৰি লগ ইন কৰা ঠিক আছে মই 2 মিনিট ৱেইট কৰিছো কথা নাই
ঠিক আছে স্যার।
ঠিক আছে যাৰ যাৰ অহা নাই কৰাচোন তোমাৰ কাৰণ শুনি নাপালে বুজি নাপাব না এইবিলাক কি কৈ আছো ৰিজইন কৰিলে নে তোমালোক যোন আছিলা? এই তোমালোকৰ 13-15 পেজেন্ট থাকে যে বাকি কেইটা ক'ত আছে তোমালোকৰ? এইকেইটা অনলাইন ক্লাছটো কৰিব নোৱাৰে নে ইহঁতে? চোৱাচোন 14 আছে তোমাৰ। এতিয়াতো আহিব নালাগে ন? অনে কৰিব লাগে সেশনটো ন? তাতে তোমাৰ নাই যে প্ৰেজেন্ট কাৰণটো কি হ'ব? কোন নাই তোমাৰ? স্নিগ্ধা, সায়ক, ৰিকি, নৱজ্যোতি, কাৰ্তিক, হিমাংশু, দেৱাংগ, দেৱ, বিদ্যুৎ, অংশুমান, অভিষেক, অভিজিত। ওকে, নিকিতা আছিলে দেখোন, ক'ত বা গ'ল তাই আৰু? এই
নিকিতা আছিল স্যার, তাই জাস্ট ওলাই গৈছে।
ই ক'ত গ'ল তোমাৰ? এই চাণক্যত ক'ত গ'ল? চাণক্যত ক'ত গ'ল?
স্যার মইতো এতিয়াহে পালো এন্ট্ৰি
হয় নেকি? আচ্ছা। তুই কাম কৰিবা, ক্লাছ হৈ থাকিলে কোৱা নাযায় ন? একবাৰ মোক কৈ দিবা ইয়াতে। এই একবাৰ কোনোবা এজনে কৈ দিবা, ঠিক আছে? মেছেজ পাছ কৰি তাতে ৱেইট কৰি আছে। আচ্ছা, এতিয়া আছে নে? কোৱাচোন। অভিষেক এতিয়া আছে নে চাউণ্ড?
আহিছে
ৰাইনা কাজলে কৈছিলে যে
কিন্তু কোনোবা টাইমত
আহিছে ন?
হৈছে।
আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে বাৰু ন, কন্টিনিউ কৰো। আমি কি কৰি আছিলো কোৱা তোমাৰ? Okay, I'll show you the product line of your VMware. Okay, just wait for some time. VMware.
স্যার কি আছিলে টপিকটো?
লাহে লাহে ক, অলপ লাহে লাহে ক, ভালতে লাগিছে।
আমি এই তোমাৰ এই ESXi start কৰিছো। ESXi.
বিষ্ণু ৰিকুৱেষ্ট দি থৈছে নেকি? এড হোৱা নাই বোলে।
কোনে?
বিষ্ণু, নিকিতা।
নাই দেখোন ইয়াতে। ইয়াতে show কৰা নাই দেখোন। মহা সমস্যা দিয়ে এনেকে ক্লাছ লোৱা মানে, আৰু এনেকে নহয় আৰু। খুলিলে হয় আৰু ন তোমাৰ? খুলিলে হয় আৰু এই।
স্টার্ট কৰি দিয়ক আপুনি। এতিয়া ৰখি থাকিলে টাইম গুচি যায় থাকিব আকৌ।
এইটো 50 মিনিট শেষে হৈ যাব। Okay, so আমি কি কৰি আছিলো কোৱা তোমাৰ? We are discussing the ESXi. Okay, the different component of ESXi. Okay, so we are at this point of discussion of this VPXA. ই তোমাৰ কি কৰে কোৱা তোমাৰ? যিবিলাক তুমি ক্লাষ্টাৰ বনাবা, ঠিক আছে? On top of this ESXi, whatever PC or the virtual machine you are creating, if you want to communicate it with the vCenter server, okay, so whatever things is required, this is provided by this VPXA module of this ESXi. Okay, so this one. Okay, next one is your host D. So what is the purpose of this one? Suppose you have one virtual machine. Say I'm taking the example of you, this one now, VM1 with based on the Red Hat Linux. Okay, now if this virtual machine want to communicate with your underlying operating system, okay, suppose it needs some resources, it needs some CPU, it needs some hard disk space. Okay, now this VM will send his request via this host D module to the VM kernel. Okay, or you can tell that this host D is an act as an interface between the VM kernel and the virtual machine. Okay, and next one is your DCUI. So what is the purpose of this DCUI? Okay, see, whenever you going to work on your ESXi server, you need the interface. Okay, see, there are two different interface as I have discussed in the yesterday's class. Okay, one is based on CLI and one is based on your GUI. Okay, but in most of the cases we are dealing with our ESXi server via some CLI commands. Okay, now DCUI means what? The CLI, direct console user interface. Okay, using this one we'll do different activities. Suppose you want to set your IP. Okay, this one actually, see, by default ESXi does not come with any monitor installed on it. Okay, that means whatever server you are choosing for installing your ESXi, this is not mandatorily monitor is attached to this server. Okay, so this type of server is called what, the rack server. That means at the very first day of your what a configuration of your data center, you are installing the ESXi. Okay, install কৰি তুমি কি কৰিবা, তাক তুমি ৰেকৰ্ড থৈ দিবা, ঠিক আছে। তাক তুমি আৰু কেতিয়াও টাচ নকৰা, ই কেতিয়াও বন্ধও নহয়, একো নহয়। তোমাৰ যেতিয়া ডাউন হ'ব তেতিয়া কি কৰিবা, তুমি ম্যানুয়ালি তুমি মনিটৰ লগাই লৈ যাবা, কানেক্ট কৰিবা, তুমি কাম কৰিব, ঠিক আছে। ইফ যদি তোমালোকে ডাটা সেন্টাৰৰ এনভায়ৰনমেন্ট চোৱা, কেতিয়াবা ভিডিও দেখিবা, actually all the technician which is moved in the data center, they have one scooter. Okay, scooter means not a scooty. Okay, they have an in-house scooter. So in-house scooter তোমার কি থাকিব, হিয়তৰ তোমাৰ নিজে এনে বহিব পৰা তোমাৰ এটা সিট থাকিব, plus one monitor and lots of cables. Okay, যোনটো মেচিনত তোমাৰ problem ওলাব, okay, they will be notified. That means within this cluster this machine have some problem. Okay, they will reach to that point and connect the wire to that server and do whatever task there. Okay, after that no need to attach the monitor to the server. Okay, why? Because we are not doing our day-to-day activity in this server. Okay, so this is required only to create or host a certain environment, right? So for most of the cases we have to operate all this stuff using the CLI only. Okay, but if someone want that I don't want to use the CLI, I want to go for GUI, what to do? You have to configure one client machine. Okay, the class, see, VMware ESXi come with two client configuration. One is your desktop client and one is your web client. Okay, see, whenever you configure your ESXi server, you have to put one fixed or a static IP address. Okay, using this static IP address you have to log in to this server with the right credential. Okay, so that you can do your limited work. So in this way you have to do in your ESXi environment. Okay, for our all the CLI tasks we have this module, DCUI module. Okay, আচ্ছা, তোমালোকে এইবিলাক কনসেপ্ট পুরা ক্লিয়ার না সবরে? ফ্লোটিং আইপি, স্ট্যাটিক আইপি, দিস অল আর ক্লিয়ার টু এভরিওয়ান?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
sir.
yes na no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we know all these things. Okay, that means our server is fixed with the static IP. Now whenever we require you to log into the server, we have to log in via this static IP. Okay, the next module is your syslog. Okay, syslog. Okay, can you tell me what is the syslog file in your Windows operating system? What is there inside this syslog file? System log. কি থাকে ইয়াৰ ভিতৰত?
All system information.
Yes, activity.
Yeah, all system information as well as the user information. Suppose
Yes, sir.
whatever task you are doing from the morning till evening, okay, so all these are recorded to the system log. In the same way, whatever task you are doing, it is recorded in a syslog file. Okay, and apart from all these things we have one more component. This is called what, a CIM broker. Okay, what they are telling, third party CIM plugins. Okay, now what is the purpose of this one? See, whenever you install any piece of hardware you need the driver CD. Okay, not mandatorily CD, sometimes it may come with your pen drive install file also. Okay, or one .exe file in case of your Windows environment, right? So now in case of your virtual environment, whatever hardware component you are going to attach to this virtual machine, okay, no need to go for driver installation. Okay, all these hardware have some, okay, register signature in your CIM broker. Okay, using this CIM broker your hardware signature will be verified and this is directly connected to your VM. Okay, no need to go for extra driver installation. Okay, so these all are a different component of your ESXi environment. Okay, see kiki balo ekor bhalke saba. I'm repeating it. First of all, you will have the underlying kernel or the operating system. Okay, here you will find the VM kernel. VM kernel is not a kernel name. This is the operating system on top of which your ESXi is working. Okay, why this operating system is required? Because ESXi is a type 1 hypervisor. Okay, you are not going to install any operating system directly. You are going to put this ESXi on top of your physical hardware. Okay, so you need one operating system. This VM kernel is a lightweight operating system, just like your nano server. Okay, now what are the different module which is important to help any virtual machine deploying or running on top of your ESXi architecture? Okay, the very first one is your VMM. See, these all are the virtual machine VM. Okay, the very first is your VMM. That means virtual machine monitor. So whatever task you are doing, all these stuffs are going to be monitored or managed or administered via this VMM module. Okay, and the number of VM is equal to the number of VMM. Jiman kita tumar VM tumi create kurba, himan kita tumi VMM create kurba. Okay, in the same way, you have the equal number of VMX file. So what is the purpose of this VMX file? Whatever configuration you have done, okay, how much software defined RAM, software defined virtual hard disk, okay, CPU code, okay, switch port or whatever you are deciding or you are defining for your software defined virtual machine. All these configurations are there inside your VMX file. Okay, next case we have the SNMP, simple network management protocol. Okay, so whatever network you are forming on top of your ESXi, okay, it in between VM also or in between the outside world also. Okay, so all these network components or the networks are managed by this SNMP protocol module. Okay, next one is VPXA. Here come ki hobo koa tomar, suppose in your ESXi, see this is one cluster, this is one cluster, this is one cluster. Okay, so this is ESXi one. Suppose you are taking this type of 5 different clusters. So 3 3 3 3, suppose 9 into 5 will how much? 45. That means
45.
yeah, in your environment, suppose you have to total 5 cluster consist of your 45 number of virtual machines. Okay, based on the requirement, it may be of high end or it may be of low end. Right now, how to manage all these cluster or the virtual machines? So you need one specialized administering software. Okay, so or the module. So this is nothing but your vCenter server. Okay, to communicate with the vCenter server, you need the VPXA module. Okay, next one is our the host D. What's the purpose of this one? To communicate with the underlying operating system. Okay, from the virtual machine, it acts as an interface. Host D. Okay, next one is your DCUI, direct. Let me see the meaning. What is this? Direct console user interface. Okay, is this one. That means to interface your ESXi server to do some task, you need one CLI interface, and this is nothing but your direct console user interface. Okay, this one. Next one is syslog. That means whatever system information you are generating, okay, what are the different status of your PC at any moment, it's all are recorded in the syslog module. Okay, so this is the architecture of your ESXi server. Okay, now have a look to the formal notes and all. আচ্ছা এইখিনি মোটামুটি বুজি পাইছে সবে ন, ডাউট তো কারণ নাই একো?
নাই স্যার।
Okay,
Right, sir.
yeah. See, component of ESXi. Okay, the VMware ESXi architecture comprises of the underlying operating system. Yes, what is the name? কি নাম আছিলে কোৱা তোমাৰ? Operating system নাম কি আছিলে? The VMware ESXi architecture comprise the underlying operating system. What is the name? Called VM kernel.
VM kernel.
Okay, see, the name of the operating system is VM kernel, and processes that run on top of it. Okay, that means whatever process are there, all these processes are run on top of this VM kernel. Okay, VM kernel provide means for running all processes on the system. That means one operating system do what type of work, the same task is done by your VM kernel only. Simple. Okay, including management applications and agents as well as virtual machines. Agents means this module. Okay, suppose you are attaching one Netgear or say Cisco router to your virtual machine. Okay, now how it will work? Who will inform the virtual machine or the VM kernel? So this is going to be informed by your CIM broker. Okay, this is a agent software. That means whatever hardwares are there, all the signature of all the hardware are present in this CIM broker. Okay, using this one, it's going to be identified by the VM kernel. Okay. It has control of all hardware devices on the server and manages resources for the application. The main processes that run on top of the VM kernel are C. Direct console user interface. This already we have discussed. Then you see the low level configuration and management interface. Okay, can you tell me what is meant by low level? In computer, these two terms are very much common, low level or high level. So what is meant by low level? Can anyone tell what is meant by low level? Please tell. What is meant by low level? Kwa?
Level programming language.
No. Yes. Programming is there. My question is that what is meant by low level? Low level মানে কি বুজি পোৱা? এতিয়া যদি আমি চাওঁ ন lower class people, higher class people, now we have some image, right? Now what is meant by low level in case of your computer? Okay, I'm giving you two options. One is your GUI and one is your Linux terminal. Okay, according to you, what is low level and what is high level and why? We'll tell. Linux terminal or Linux desktop. Okay, you have to create one folder. Okay, so you have the two different options. So according to you, which GUI or the CLI or the terminal, which one is low level and what is the why? Which one is high level and why?
Sir, GUI to low level.
কারণ
আৰু
CNN to high level.
the CNN to high level.
To high level.
কারণ কোৱা? Almost every one of you give the same answer, right?
Yes.
GUI is low level and
Yes, sir.
No level.
CUI or terminal is a high level. Okay, why? Can you give the answer?
To low level মানে computer can easily understand.
Okay, and okay. First of all, thank you for all your genuine answer. Okay, so whatever you understand, you give from your concept. Okay, now I am clearing your doubt that this see that means whatever module or the program interact with the computer directly. Okay, this is called a low level. Okay, that means your terminal, your CLI is always the low level. Okay, low level means it's not like that. मतलब हमारा जो classification होता है ना, high level people, low level people, this is not like that. Okay, that means whatever component is directly dealing with the computer, this is called a low level. Okay, so your CLI is your low level and your GUI is your high level. বুঝি পারেন না question difference to?
Okay.
Okay, that means whatever concept you are understanding that this is totally reverse. Okay, that means this one. So if you find that this is he is working in a very low level task of he both low level computer, that means we have to know that he's a genius person, that means he's playing with a kernel. Okay, high level মানে কি তুমি application কাম কৰি আছা, okay, applications are, see, I think you know, I think you have seen the diagram of your operating system architecture na. One concentric circle is there. First of all, you'll find the hardware, then you find the kernel. Yes or no? দেখিছা না ওটা? দেখিছা না? Yes
सर
sir.
अपना वॉइस तो क्लियर क्या आना है आपको एक बार कहो
এই মিটিং তোমাৰ শেষে হ'ব এতিয়া তোমাৰ।
सर आपको एक बार स्टार्ट कर लो टाइम আছে তো सर
এইটোৱে ন? আচ্ছা ৰিস্টার্ট কৰি দিওঁ ন, এইটো বন্ধ কৰি পেলাই।
सर सेशन तो की खत्म होल नेकी
এইটো মেসেজ দিছে তোমাৰ, the meeting will end for all participant in 5 minutes.
আচ্ছা सर নতুনকে একবার স্টার্ট কৰি দিয়ক আমি গোটেইটা সোমাই দিও
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ৰবা মই কৰি আছো।
Start my video.